Hey, this is Heather from Hooked on Pickin. They're doing a raffle of a bunch of pallets, and we're going to figure out what that's all about. So this is a raffle basically that they're doing, and they get these stickers of things that they want to buy, and so you get 5 stickers, I think, is what they said, and you put it on the pallet you want, and then at the end, when everybody has a certain amount of time to put their stickers on, then they literally like number them, and then they pick a number out, and if you win it, you get to buy it. So I think they can get up to 5. So let's kind of just walk through it. These 2 rows, I think, is what they did. These are the raffle labels with their names on them.
Yeah.
So they just slap it on the side if they want to buy it. So they're going down and choosing right now. Is that what they're doing?
So everybody's going around, they're choosing the pallets, and then unlike any other pallet you want in the warehouse, when there's one label on it, it's yours. Here you can put as many labels on whatever pallet as possible.
But these are really good prices, basically.
These are really good.
And the raffle is...
It's similar pricing to anything else. It's just the stuff that we literally just put on the floor.
Oh,
this was
brand
brought
new.
out.
The new stuff.
Brand new stuff that came in. So you could find very similar pallets down there somewhere, and just because it's here, they want it.
Okay.
Which is good. So we keep doing it.
Awesome. I'm just going to keep moving around.
Walk through and just go through craziness.
And he's giving them a time limit, right?
So the pricing you see here is from a truckload price.
Okay, so it's
And
not
now
the...
it's sold for individual pallets. So pricing is on the other side.
Okay.
Okay.
All right, so let's go on the other side and see the
How long do they have?
5 minutes total.
5 minutes.
So let's see how many more minutes they have.
I don't want to block anybody.
Okay, so this one already has 1, 2, 3, 6 people want that.
Which one right there? Yeah.
They don't like that one, I bet. That one.
Got flashlights.
Yeah.
We're strategic about it.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
So now, why not
Kinda,
down this one?
Kind of like Storage Wars.
Yeah. Similar concept.
Yeah.
So more. What typically happens, one person labels a pallet, second person labels a pallet, and then everybody labels the same pallet. A lot of times they won't even know what's inside. It's just if you want it, I want it. Oh,
Right.
those 2 people want it, let's all get it.
Kind of like an auction. You just keep
Exactly.
going and bidding up. And,
It's the same concept.
Awesome.
You could make a TV show out of this.
Yeah, you could.
So you walk through.
Yeah, let's go down.
I don't want to block people.
They won't block.
I think we found the one everybody loves.
See,
Holy
325,
cow.
there's a dozen plus labels on there. So you've got a Coleman mini bike. Oh, that's pretty cool actually.
Yeah.
It's like it's an actual motor. And then you've got some furniture.
Oh, my word.
Yeah, it's a mini
I
bike
think that's the majority of your investment.
Yeah.
for $325.
Charcoal.
Banking on
That's
one item.
that's a grill.
Okay, there
Yeah.
you go.
It's a kid bunk bed.
Yeah.
Those
wow.
are pretty cool items.
325.
Yeah. That one kind of appeals to a lot of different markets.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's where your
Yeah,
that's where your money's gonna be. Now the question is, does it work? Does it not work? Is it new? Is it in there? I'm sure someone's done their homework.
Somebody will
How
fix
many
it.
people are labeling it? Someone's done the research.
Yeah.
Wow. Is this aisle too?
Yeah, this aisle too.
There's a freezer right there.
Yeah.
Nobody's got this one.
$249. That thing's way more than $249. Looks brand new.
It's got a ding on it, but
Yeah, but still works. Better Homes and Gardens. Fun zone. There's a fridge. You got a refrigerator?
See who's got tags. See this first one right here, no one's got a label on it, so
Got a label on it.
what do you do if it doesn't sell?
So if it doesn't sell, once the raffle is over, it's a free for all. Next person to label it is theirs.
Oh,
So it doesn't partake in the raffle. We don't bring it back to a raffle.
Okay.
It'll move somewhere else to the warehouse.
Okay.
But I mean, you've got hoovers in here, electric toothbrushes. Was that a pressure washer?
Yeah, that's a pressure
Looks
washer.
like it.
Fuji film.
Yeah, so this is a little bit more
Ink
specialized.
cartridge.
That's
Yeah,
why.
ink cartridge.
So you've got hand sanitizers,
More ink cartridges. These are
a trimmer on top, a cloth, another cloth.
There's an inflatable T-Rex costume.
Sold.
Every
My
Right,
kids would
needs
go
that.
bonkers for that. We got Jiffy Pop.
headphones.
Yeah.
So was this stuff processed like
No.
what we looked at? No.
No, so this is a raw pallet.
Raw
Everything here
pallet.
is raw as is. Just the way it came.
That's
Oh.
an ink.
The only thing we did, it normally comes with a little, I don't know what you call it.
Last minute! Último minuto!
Yeah.
No, there's definitely money to be made.
Yeah.
Especially the raffles, people look for specific things. So if they don't sell these type of specialty items, or they just got a retail store or a market, then they're looking for just generic stuff,
Okay.
so to speak. Yeah, I mean, you see that original pallet we saw with about 6 labels on it. It may
It's
have
covered.
taken over the other one.
Nobody's done that one.
Ya último minuto!
Everybody wants this pallet here.
Yeah.
But nobody wants the pallets on either side of it.
I wonder what's in there.
Somebody found something.
See, he doesn't even know.
Yeah.
He doesn't even know what's there.
Raffle's gonna start! You go pasar!
You know what? Pricing mistake. Out of 1.
$3.25.
What is in there?
Can't see much. You've got some tents. You've got clothes closets. You've got a microwave.
So he's numbering it, and then you're gonna have a get
Oh, I see.
Yeah, so in this bag right here, you've got all the balls in there. Oh,
Kind of like a bingo.
so all different,
Yeah.
basically
Okay.
bingo balls. So
Yeah.
the beauty of this is if you call 31 and 14, but there's only 3 numbers, you just keep calling numbers.
You gotcha.
Gotcha.
Yeah.
That's the
Yeah.
fun part.
Yeah.
And it'll just keep going. Now you just fear to Yeah, obviously if there's only one label on it, and then he calls and he says time's up, that's it. It's this. So this guy won that pallet. And then it's done. Now we've written the name there. We know that nobody else can stick a label on it.
Okay.
Okay.
Kids,
So as
they
he
start
moves,
young.
as he moves through, he's pretty much, if he writes the name on it,
It's done.
it's done.
Or a number, then you
Or
can't
a
put
number.
any more. Okay, so see that one down there? He's putting all the numbers on.
Okay.
You see, he's changed his mind, and it's not over yet.
Aha.
So he's able to change his mind. Get it?
That's five stickers
5
per
stickers
household.
per, yes.
Household. Okay. So two guys said, "Hey, I want this part and I want this part," and they
Exactly.
put their things
And then
on
they
it,
change
and
their
then
mind,
change
so
their mind.
one guy comes and takes them both off before it's over.
Before that's okay.
So it wasn't over yet. If he says, hey, the raffle's over, that's it. You don't have a choice. You guys
have
are
to pay
in the
for it.
raffle.
So regardless of whether or not you win one or all five that you put your labels on, you have to pay for all five if you win.
Yeah,
five.
if you participated in the raffle and you put your label there, and then you say, hey, I want 3 of them, I only want to pay for 2, it's all or nothing, because then you take it away from other people.
Okay, yeah.
That were.
So if you commit to stick that sticker on, you better buy it.
You better buy it.
Okay.
So in this case, okay, let's say, I don't know, number 10 wins it, everybody leaves, they go on with their day, they pay for their pallets, then number 10, we can't find them, they disappeared, they didn't want to
Then
pay
all
for
these
that
people-
one.
yeah.
All those people missed
So
out.
gotcha. So makes sense. You stick the sticker on, you better buy it.
So now when it's not raffle, if you go and you find a pallet, you're like, hey, I want to buy this pallet and I'm going to keep looking. You label that pallet. We start the invoice for you. You go find other pallets. You're like, hey, you know what?
I like this
I
one better.
overstretched myself or whatever the case may be. I don't want that one anymore. That's not a problem.
Okay, so you didn't change it just during the
Yeah.
raffle. It's kind of
Just during the raffle. It's like an auction,
Right.
except the price stays the same.
Gotcha.
You got my phone?
So he's just
You
throwing
should get
numbers
this
on
just
his
for the
phone.
suitcases.
$149.
Oh, you
Wow.
can't buy those 2 suitcases for that.
No, not for $149.
Like, we should get this just for the suitcase.
Right?
I actually came here with a liquidation suitcase.
Yeah.
It was so nice, yeah.
Sofa,
Big old cooler.
Yeah,
Big old
that's
cooler.
a big old cooler.
chair.
Yeah, these are not cheap.
No.
That's a good pallet. Lawnmower. It's got a lawnmower in it. A trampoline, a 14-foot trampoline. An office chair. These are like 100. The lawnmower's got to be at least 100.
At least
150. The trampoline's got to be at least 100.
Got a price for $249.
What else is in it? And that's not even all of it. It has one of those bike, hook it onto your bike, like child pull-it carrier things. Those are, I know, are $100 though.
At least 60.
Yeah. Some dog, something or other. See what's got their name on that one.
6-burner gas grill.
He's scanning the barcode.
Yeah.
Must be a reseller. Oops, they want this one.
Yes, they do. Look at all this. So how many of these pallets do you think will go?
I think this one's gonna go.
This one's definitely going.
This one.
But this one here, nobody wanted. $249. Nobody wanted that pallet.
This was a suitcase. It's in tonight's suitcase.
Okay, they're starting. Let's head on down.
So number two just won that one.
Once they
Win, they put the dash on the winning raffle, and then they put their name on.
Marco won it, there was his raffle ticket. And there he is, boom. Proud owner of this gorgeous pallet. The only one who knows exactly what's in it will be Marco.
Yeah. Or if he breaks it open to load it in his truck or car out there.
You can be nosy,
Then you
stand
can
there
be
and
nosy
watch,
and stand there and just
stare at them.
try to figure it out. There's something in there. He probably dropped his phone or something. Can you imagine?
So what do you think of all this, Heather?
Crazy way to sell pallets, that's for sure.
Yeah, it's totally new. I've never seen it done this way before.
I've never seen a raffle of pallets ever. I think it's awesome.
It's a cool idea.
Yeah. Like if we lived close, I'd be all up.
Absolutely.
All
You'd be here every
I would be here every time they did a raffle.
How often do you do the raffles?
Every day, 4 p.m.
Every day, 4 p.m.
That's bonkers.
You'd be here every day at 4 o'clock.
I would. Yep. It would be my new 9 to 4.
Yeah, a lot of these people are here every single day, multiple times a day.
That's awesome. Well, I mean, some good deals.
Yeah.
Oh.
There we go. We can probably see from this side what it's actually doing. You're taller than me, but
7, 7. Josea.
Calling out numbers right now.
22, 22. Kirby.
she worked here. She was just pretending.
I'm gonna flip around here.
Somebody else's part. For a split second.
This is a quick way to move a lot of merchandise. A very quick way.
And it's the same price as it would be if we just put it on the floor.
Right.
It's the new stuff, though.
But it's the new stuff.
the stuff
And
that
it's
just came
probably
in.
the best.
Maybe.
Tomato.
Yeah. It's a nice little thin one there. Put that in your office.
Yeah, right? I don't know why this guy never goes to his office. You have an office? What for?
Yeah, we're all just there.
Yeah. See the
Is
kids.
that it?
That's it.
That's it? Awesome.
Awesome.
Yeah, whoever got a pallet either goes and finds more stuff and gets invoiced, and the rest of the warehouse is available.
Awesome.
Cool.
So this is a super fun way to buy pallets, and hopefully it's been interesting. I definitely did not expect this when I came to Via Trading. So 4 o'clock every day if you live in the California area, check them out. And remember, in the end, Jesus wins.
Don't know how to get to Via Trading? Click the link in the description below. Via Trading was also awesome enough to create a coupon code for my viewers only. Use the coupon code HOOKED, shown in the description below.
This code will give you $50 off your very first order of $250 or more from Via Trading.
Hey, thanks for watching. I hope you learned something. If you'd like to watch more of my videos, just click on them here. And if you'd like to learn more about the reseller world, subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos. Thanks.